Good afternoon there, YouTubers. Welcome back to another vlog, another episode of James Larby's Better Cooking. Hope you're all doing well. Summer's here, weather's getting good. Nice weather here in the UK anyway. Beginning of June, you know, good times ahead. I'm off away in a couple of weeks' time. A few weeks' time. I'm off to Greece for a while. I go to Greece every year on holiday now, so but I'm off to Greece again in a few weeks' time. I'm off to Rhodes, and I'm off there for a while. I'm going out to Greece for a while. I'm going to mainly be staying in Rhodes, but I'm going on other trips, island hopping as well. I'm going to Kos and then back to Rhodes again. I'm doing a bit of island hopping as well, but I'm going to be staying in Rhodes mainly for a while. I've been going there every year. I've been going to different Greek islands every year really, but I've made some friends in they're all amazing. Love them all, but I've made some friends in Rhodes, and I'm going back out there in a couple of weeks' time. I'm going to be staying out there a while, so I'm looking forward to exciting times. After Greece, I'm going to be moving back to Spain to live for a while. I used to live in Spain for 10 years anyway, as I probably said in my first intro before. I lived out in Spain for 10 years, Germany for 3 years. Going out to Greece isn't anything out of the norm for me. It's no stranger's land, but especially Spain more than anything. Obviously I lived out there for 10 years, so I've got family and friends out there. So good times ahead. Now off to Greece, then Spain after that. So I'm going to be doing quite a lot of travelling this year. I'm going to be going to Turkey for 2 days as well, but anyway, that's just a little 2-day trip. But yeah, so I've got some exciting times. So I think next time you have a vlog from me, whatever it is, most obviously cooking a recipe more than likely. Hey, this is a food channel. Next time you hear from me in my next vlog, will most probably be out there. It'll either be in Greece or it'll be out in Spain. Who knows, but yeah, it won't be here in the UK. The next couple of vlogs that you will get from me, I don't know when they'll be, but they certainly won't be in the UK anyway. They will be out in either, I might do one out in Greece, but I'll do several out in Spain, and try and obviously catch up. And anybody who was excited about my YouTube channel and this new channel at the beginning, obviously people were very excited about it. It didn't take off to a great start. It didn't take off to the most professional start, not like the YouTubers out there in the world. Christ, I mean, some YouTubers out there have got millions of subscribers. I haven't got many subscribers. It didn't take off to a great start. Yeah, don't get me wrong, got a few tasty recipes on there and a good intro, but I haven't got many subscribers. Hasn't taken off in the way I hoped. But that's my fault anyway. That's my problem, due to being very busy, work and etc. And it's been quite a hard time for me over the past 12 months. It's to be honest, it's been the hardest time of my life actually. The last 12 months has been the worst time ever. So it wasn't in my personal life. So it wasn't the best time really to open a YouTube food channel. But obviously please don't judge me for that. Sorry if I disappointed any hopeful potential fans and followers out there. But yeah, it's my fault the channel hasn't taken off like I hoped, not like everyone else out there. And not many subscribers. It's my fault. My personal problems and my personal life have affected it. And yeah, but please don't judge me for that. I'm only human. I'm not a machine. And yeah, life's cruel. Life's beautiful. Life is beautiful. Life's amazing. Hey, I'm so excited about the next coming weeks. But obviously depression, anxiety, it's a bitch, isn't it? But you just have to battle it, treat it, get on with it, and you battle on, you get through it, don't you? Anyway, so like I've explained to you why I haven't been around, and hopefully out, when I'm out abroad, out in Spain, out in Greece, especially Spain, hopefully you will be seeing me on there. So anyway, enough of me waffling on. I've got a very simple, quick, easy, delicious, healthy recipe for you today. I've just done a quick, fresh, homemade chicken saag. And what I've done here is, well, here's the chicken saag. Slowly bubbling away. It's ready to eat. and I've made some rice here as well. Basically with the chicken saag, what I've done is I've panned off and, well, sorry, I haven't been awake that long. I need a coffee. I've browned off some chicken breast in the pan, seared some chicken breast off in some ghee Indian butter. You can use normal butter, nothing wrong with that. You know, normal butter, if that's all you can get hold of, but preferably if you can, use ghee butter. It just makes it that little bit more Indian, if you know what I mean. So yeah, browned up the chicken in the ghee butter, and you know, threw in some chopped onions, chicken, onions, plenty of garlic. I used about 3 garlic cloves in this. You know, I like my garlic, so three garlic cloves, 1 large chopped onion with the chicken breast, with the ghee, browned it all off, turned it down, obviously let the onions and the garlic soften, added a nice generous pinch of salt and a little pinch of sugar just to caramelise those onions down a little bit. Then I went in with some fresh chopped tomatoes and I'm just trying to think back now, some fresh chopped ginger, well, pressed ginger, pureed the ginger, in with the ginger, nice big squeeze of lemon, fresh lemon juice, a little bit of corn flour to thicken, added in some fresh coriander in there, some cumin seeds, some green chilli and some tandoori masala seasoning. Sweat that down a little bit more, let that cook out a little bit. I added a little bit of water, and then when that reduced down I added in some turmeric, some red chili powder, touch of cumin, 2 cloves, some cassia, plenty of black pepper, 1 bay leaf added in there. You've got to be careful with the bay leaves, because you know, if you go a bit overboard with the bay leaves, they can make any recipe bitter, especially the dry ones, more than the fresh ones. Added in some hot paprika, some gram masala, and some cinnamon, some mace, some cardamom pods, a little bit of ground fennel that I had in my cupboard, some nutmeg. Sorry, I apologise folks, I am just thinking back because, you know, obviously you hopefully want to give the recipe a bash, so you want to know what I've used, and some ground fenugreek, and basically just cooking it all out. Obviously, you know, another touch of salt as well, and it's nicely seasoned. And I've hit it just now, a minute ago, before I start this vlog, I hit it with some yogurt and a little drizzle of double cream, and some fresh spinach has gone in there now as well. So all we need to do now is just leave that on a very low heat and cook that out. And what I've done as well, I've made some side rice here. I've done some basmati rice in here, some salt, some boiling salty water, added some garlic, some fresh ginger, some tamarind paste, fresh coriander, couple of cardamom pods, 2 cloves, some ground cumin, and some turmeric. And in case you're wondering what the black bits are in there, that is just the coriander and the tamarind, so not to worry, it's all good stuff in there. And well, it's my lunch folks, and I don't know what India would think of this. Who knows? I mean, you know, in India, you know, this might be correct, might be perfect, you don't know, or it might not be exactly how they do it, might be a bit different out there. But I hope that out in India or Pakistan, out in that part of Asia, it would be edible. I'm sure they would eat it and they would enjoy it. It's tasty stuff, whether it is correct or not, you know, I'm sure it's perfectly edible for them as well. Even if it wasn't the way they do it, I'm sure that 20 years of cooking, you know, will sort of let me, you know, kind of, you know, hold my own a little bit there. So, you know, but anyway, it doesn't matter whether it's correct or not. It's my recipe, it's my house, you know, it's my life. I can eat what I want, you know. So anyway, I'm going to serve a little bit up actually, because, well, I'm starving. Get a bit of this rice, This rice is, I know this isn't the main part of the recipe, but this rice is really tasty. You've got to give this a try. Like I've said before to you folks, or anyone that's ever going to watch this channel in the world, I do apologise for the poor quality, not only in my vlogs, but my channel in general, just the quality of my channel in general. You know, I'm still an amateur, and yeah, you know, I know how to use a computer, I know how to use the internet, you know, I'm pretty good when it comes to technology. I know how to do everything, and you know, I wouldn't have any problem working in an office, you know what I mean? So you know, I can do everything on the computer and the internet. I just don't have the physical equipment to bring that quality to you guys right at this moment in my life. You know, obviously money's tight. You know, I'm driving around a very shit car. Sorry, just said a curse word. And you know, yeah, I'm driving around a very rubbish car. And there we go, let's get some out on there. You know, and obviously I'm going away in a few weeks' time. You know, I've only got 2 weeks left back. I've only got 2 weeks left here in the UK. And you know, a few weeks' time, that's, you know, obviously that's when I'm off. I'm off on my travels around the Med. Greece, Spain, Turkey, all of that. But you know, obviously money is something I need to be very responsible with at the moment. Not only, obviously, you know, I'm just a normal working class citizen like anyone else. I'm not on a great salary, I'm not on a bad salary, just a, you know, normal wage like anyone else. But plus, you know, I'm going away, obviously, being off to Greece for a while and then going back to Spain to live. So yeah, I need all the money I can at the moment. I can't go around spending hundreds of pounds on equipment that I can't afford with the money that I need. And plus, you know, I'm probably not going to be able to fly with it anyway. So, you know, when I'm out in Greece and Spain, I'll go into some sort of Chinese bazaar shop and I'll just get like a tripod, and you know, obviously that would make it a little bit better. Well, this is my lunch. I do waffle on a bit, guys. I do apologise for that, but you know, it's only like my 7th vlog, you know, and I'm not a shy person anyway. I'm a very, very outgoing, front, confident person in general. But you know, obviously, when you just started a channel and you know that, like, not only the whole of the UK, but you know, the whole world's gonna be watching this once you post it. It can be quite nerve-wracking, and well, until like, I don't know, maybe your 10th video. I've already done 7, but it's been a while. Obviously I've told you why, due to sort of personal issues and personal life. I haven't grown that confidence, knowing the whole world's going to be watching you, and you can't win on YouTube anyway. No matter how good you are or how shit you are. You can be the best YouTuber, you could be the worst YouTuber, you can be a fantastic chef. I like to think I can hold my own. I've been cooking a long time, so I hope that I'm alright. And my food is edible. People always eat it. Or you can be the worst chef ever. Whatever. You're never going to win on YouTube. You could be the best chef in the world. You could be a celebrity chef. People are always going to... don't get me wrong. There's a lot of sad people, a lot of morons and idiots and cretins out there in the world. You know, the majority of people on YouTube that comment on things are just teenage kids, American teenage kids, stoned off their tits, and they just like to, you know, write abuse. And, you know, majority of negative comments and thumbs down you get on YouTube channels and vlogs anyway, not just mine, but anyone's. Whenever you get a dislike on YouTube on a stupid, bitchy, immature, bitter comment, you know, a little bit of hatred, you know, think your recipe is terrible, or, you know, not their cup of tea, you know, either they're just weird, or, you know, it's, like I said, it's teenage kids, you know what I mean, stoned off their tits, up in their bedroom, got nothing better to do. So I need to sort of become a bit more thick-skinned with that. I am getting better. You're never going to win on YouTube, no matter how good you are. There's going to be negative people out there, and there's a lot of idiots out there. And you know, I'll probably get 2 likes for this vlog. I won't get many likes anyway, because like I said, I'm still a beginner on YouTube. You know, my food's nice, I believe my food's nice, my recipes are nice and tasty. But obviously the professionalism and the quality of my vlogs and my channel in general, like I said, just out of the physical equipment. But one day that will change. This, like I said, this will be the last vlog that I'll be doing here in the UK. Next time we'll be out we'll be out there. So yeah, well, this is my chicken saag, folks. Give it a bash, give it a try, give it a whirl, as they say. You won't be disappointed. I did taste a bit before I obviously, you know, start the vlog. It is delicious. It's quick, easy, simple, all fresh ingredients, and it's very healthy. So give it a try. And I'm taking this now. That can go there. Obviously I'll turn the flame off. I don't want to set the house on fire. But apart from that, you know, I'm off in a couple of weeks' time. I'm off out of here. I don't care anymore. Right, well, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye for now.